It's over the 2014 Ford F-150. Non-start, no spark, and we're gonna change the ECM. Right now I already read from the old one, plug the new one in. This is where it says install a new module. I'm in my FGJS software. Okay, we'll go okay, install a new rig, switch ignition on. Switch ignition on. Ignition's on. And we're gonna see what happens. Hit okay. Sure, yes, okay. Ensure, okay. About to fill the multiple, yes. See. Ignition is on, and we hit enter. Okay, so last time I tried programming this same PCM, it didn't go well. So this time I updated my FGDS software, and it seems better, because last time it failed just before going into module programming. And this looks so far good. After this, there is a reset, a parameter reset from the paths menu. So I'm going to do just that. I'm not going to keep you waiting here. This is going good. I'll hit you back with the results, and I'll shoot another video about paths function parameter reset. I think that's all it needs there, parameter reset to start the vehicle. And what we're doing now is we're putting new software into the old module, and at the same time it puts the VIN in there, which is most important. Okay, so this is part one. Please subscribe and tell your friend.